Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. Alright, so today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the Fortnite fishing dance emote that some of you guys have requested. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Muted Sugarpool, for being the first one to request it. Alright, let's just jump right into it. I'm just gonna explain the upper body, the arms, and then I'm gonna explain the legs afterwards, yeah? Alright, so you wanna turn to your left side here. You wanna say arms up, like this, and then you wanna say up with your shoulders, down, up, down. You wanna do forward, east, yeah? So I'm just gonna show you here to the front. You're gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so right after the shoulder part, I'm just gonna show you how it looks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the next part. Whoop, ha, yeah? Alright, so let me explain. The elbows are leading the way and they always wanna point the opposite direction. Yeah, so to begin with, your right is going up. I'm just gonna show you here to the front, right? So right pointing up, left pointing down. And every time you wanna say stuck, yeah, so you're stuck here halfway, and then you want to say release. Yeah, now the hands are coming up. Now you want to repeat it to the other side. Right elbow is pointing down, left elbow is pointing up. Yeah, and then you want to say stuck, release. Hands are coming all the way up, almost all the way up. And now the elbows are saying stuck halfway and release. And stuck halfway, release. Stuck halfway, release. Yeah, always going in the opposite direction. Whoop, release. Elbow, hands. Elbow, hands. Alright, now let me explain how to do it from the side. You're doing 4 of these shoulders. Now you want to say right elbow up, left elbow down, and then you want to say release, and then at the same time you're turning to the other side, and then you want to say opposite. Yeah, so now left elbow is pointing up, right elbow is pointing down. Then you want to say release, and at the same time you're turning. So stuck, turn, stuck, turn, stuck, turn. Yeah, I'm just doing this with my legs just to focus on the arms. Don't mind about the legs for now. Stop, release, stuck, release, stuck, release. Alright, so now that we've practiced this a few times and combine it, you're actually only doing 2 of these, yeah? So you say 4 times shoulder, and then from here, you want to say right elbow up, release, and just once more. Now left elbow up, release, and then you're back to this position, yeah? So facing your left. So let's just do that part. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, stuck, release, stuck, release. So I'm gonna count to 8 and then we're gonna start. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release, stuck, release. Now from here, the dance basically just repeats, but actually on the second time, instead of doing shoulders like this, you want to say switch. I'm just going to show you this at the front. Switch, 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 switch. In my opinion, it's the same, right? So you can either do this or this. Yeah, and actually this left hand is up here while he's doing this. Whoop, 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 whoop. So either you can do this or this. Alright, so let's just practice one last time. So I'm gonna count to 8 and then we're gonna start. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release, release. Alright, moving on to the legs, which is the tricky part, but you can do it. Alright, so let's start with an exercise here. So instead of jumping on a flat foot, like you normally do, like this, yeah, you wanna say, for instance, let's take our right leg and go up on our toes. And when I mean toes, I mean this part, ball of a foot, right? Yeah, so from the side, you want to do like this. And now instead of just going this, where this is fully straight, you want to go a bit down. Yeah, because you're prepping for the jump, right? So like that. So you want to say down. Yeah, so remember, right on your ball of your foot here, and then up. So down, up. Let's just try that a few times. We're gonna count to 8, and then we're gonna say down, up, down, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go down, up, down, up. Last time, down, up. Now, if you feel like it, you can practice that over and over again until you feel comfortable. If you're ready to move on, let's go on to the next thing. Yeah, so we've just practiced this part. Now, what we want to do instead of straightening both legs, we want to take this knee up before we go down. Yeah, so during the jump. So like that. Yeah, so you saw how I pushed up my right knee here. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you from the side. I want to say prep, jump knee up there. So I can't really do this slow, so I'm just going to show you again. 5, 6, 7, 8, down, knee up. Yeah, so there's a slight delay on this one. Whoop. So you land on your left before you land with your right. Because then you're taking your right knee up. So I'm just going to show you again. Down, knee up there. Let's just practice that a few times. I'm going to count to 8 and then we're going to go down, knee up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, down, knee up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, down, knee up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, down, knee up, down. Okay, so once you've practiced that at least 10 times more, then you can move on to the next thing, which is a bit more complicated. So now we just did here, land. Now what we want to do instead is say down here, it's still the same. Now instead of raising your right knee up when we jump, you want to raise your left knee up. And then like this. Yeah, so basically you're switching from this to this when you land. Yeah, so we're going to say down, left knee up instead. Yeah, just going to show you again. So, whoop, left knee up instead. And you want to land on the ball of your foot. So that's the switch. So I'm just going to try again. Down, left knee up. So let's just practice with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, down, left knee up. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, left knee up. Alright, so once you've practiced that at least 20 times, take some breaks in between if you need to. And when you're ready to move on, we can combine the two. Okay, so the order is going to be normal, switch, down. So what I mean by that is I'm just going to show you normal, when we land with the same leg, switch, when we switch, normal again, and then switch down. So both of the legs come down. Okay, so let's just practice that part. So we want to say normal, switch, normal, switch down. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go normal, switch, normal, switch down. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Normal, switch, normal, switch down. And you don't have to turn like I do in the beginning. You can just stay on the spot if you want. Yeah, but if you want, you can just turn like I do. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go normal, switch, normal, switch down. Now, in reality, you have to go right into it, yeah, so you don't take any breaks. So you want to go boom, boom, switch, normal, down. Let me just show you that again. Just gonna exaggerate a bit more so you can see the difference here. So boom, 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 down. All right, so let's practice that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go normal, switch, down. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Normal, switch, down. Alright guys, now time to combine the whole thing, so arms and legs. So let's go through it. You want to start to this side, and you want to go bend your knees a bit, and you want to go the right leg first to begin with. Right, left, and remember your shoulders, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now to the tricky part. I'm just gonna show you how it's gonna look. So 1, 2, 3, 4 here. It's gonna be wah, 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 wah here. Alright, so let me break it down. So you wanna say, let's just practice the first 2 jumps, right? So this part. So you wanna say, stop, jump, and then on the next one, again, release and then switch. So stop, jump here, and then on the second one, you go release, switch. So let's just try that. Just gonna show you how it's gonna look. So, wah, wah, here. Yeah, and you're prepping for the next move. Okay. So let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go wah, wah, switch. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Wah, switch. So just practice that a few times, and then once you're ready to move on, let's move on. Alright, so we just did wah, switch, and then here you continue right away. You go jump, switch, here. Yeah, so it's basically the same, just to the opposite side. So let me just show you again before we practice. It's jump, switch, here. Yeah, let's just try it and practice that with me. So I can say 5, 6, 7, 8. We go wah, switch, here. Alright, let's try that again. 5, 6, and remember it's stuck, release, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go stuck, release, here. Okay, one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go stuck, release, here. And like I said before, you can repeat the dance. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, stuck, release, 1, 2, 3. You can also do the other one, which is like this. Yeah. So left arm is up, right arm is down here. Go shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Yeah. So instead of wah, wah. So let me just show you. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Release, and then new 1, 2, 3, 4. Stuck, release, repeat. Yeah? So this is how it's gonna look. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stuck, release, new 1. Stuck, release, repeat. Over and over. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the fishing emote dance from the game Fortnite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.